So in this video we're going to be taking a quick look at how to go about registering for the CogNation web form. Now I realize for a lot of you that this is probably going to seem old hat because you use web forms a lot in your day-to-day life. But it is a great way of meeting people, and I would highly recommend you all to create an account. But before we do anything, we're going to need to click on the register button and create an account. It will ask you for an age prompt. And you'll be presented with this standard end user agreement that you typically find on these forms. So I'll agree to these terms. And I will create an account. Now I'm thinking here, these things are always hard to do on the spot, but let's see if Chris is available. And I will provide an email address. I will confirm my email address. I'll have to come up with a password between 6 and 100 characters. That shouldn't be hard. And I'll confirm the password. I'll type in the word CogNation. The Queen's English looks okay, so let's use that. And these screen captures can sometimes be difficult to read, so you may find that you have to hit the refresh confirmation code. And Firefox is just going to ask me if I want to remember my password. So let's try typing in the new confirmation code and see if I can get in. Okay, so it looks like I've created a previous account with this username, so that's not a problem. I will just create a new account. So let's get rid of that. And let's get rid of my email address here. And let's try typing Christopher instead. And I'll specify a new email address. And I'll confirm it. And one last time I'll type in CogNation. Okay, so that sounds really good. It gives me a confirmation message telling me that my registration email has been sent to the account that I specified. So let's just take a quick look at my webmail to see if it's there. And I'm just going to log in. And there it is. So let's take a look. I will click on this link to activate my account. And it gives me a message confirming that my account is now active. So now I can take a look at the various discussion topics that are here on the board. Clicking on any one of these links opens up the thread. For example, if I'm interested in seeing what's happening on our beta, I can click here. But if I want to comment or reply to anything, I need to log in. So let's just log in here with the account name I've just created. And yeah, you know, I might want it to remember me, so that's good. I'll hit login. And it says I'm logged in. So now let's go and try creating a brand new thread and see how this looks. Okay, so I'll click on discussions. Actually, let's try wish list instead. You know, one of the things that we're working on right now is the ability to snap objects into place in both Robot Builder and Sim. So I'll create a new topic, and I think I'll tease our developers a little bit. So for the subject, let's type in object snaps. And here in the body of the message, I'll type our object snaps available yet. Great. And what we're really in right now is a rich text editor, right? So I can bold text. There's, you know, insert hyperlinks. There's these goofy smileys everywhere that I can insert, and I might do that because the developers will think it's cute. If I click on preview, yep, there's our message. That's how it's going to display inside the form. And I'll save it and click submit. And it's just that easy to use our web form. So I highly encourage you to check it out and see what other people are doing with our software.